Hey, this is Kellen with Jantek Industries. Welcome back to the How Windows Are Made. This is episode 3, Internal Grid Assembly. If you choose the option to have grids or simulated buttons placed between the glass panes, here's how they are assembled. First, the aluminum grid extrusions are cut to the appropriate lengths. Next, the required extrusion assembly notch locations must be measured out and marked. The notching of each of the extrusions in the assembly is completed in a pneumatic punch press. Then the extrusions are hand cleaned to assure that there's no smudges or dirt. End caps are then inserted into the openings at the ends of each extrusion. These end caps have short pins that will anchor the grid assembly into the Duraseal spacer. Finally, the extrusions are assembled together using an assembly notch locations. The grid assembly is now ready to proceed to the integrated glass unit assembly area.